project, you will plan and deliver a sketch show for a mainstream primetime TV audience. This will include a seminar from storyteller Gav Cross, and it will contain elements of stand-up and/or short-form social media-style comic performance. Oh, for God's sake!
Framed, comedy project, comic characters, blah blah blah. Workshop from Gav Cross. Comedy sketches.
Hi. So you got any ideas then? I was thinking maybe we could do something.
Oh, sorry, give me 1 second, I gotta take it. Hi.
You're not me.
Yeah, I'm just really annoyed. Daniel put me with that absolute freak Leah. Yeah, I know. I know, comedy project would be really helpful if she was actually funny. Yeah. I probably should go, she looks slightly annoyed. Alright. Yeah, I'll see you later then. Bye. Got any ideas then?
I had a character idea. Do you want to improvise it?
Okay.
Hello, I'm Pam the Irish woman.
Are you really going to use that accent?
Yeah, do you think it's a good accent?
Yeah, it's great.
Really?
No, it's...
So tell me, what's your daily routine like?
Well, and then
we can't hear you. Take the mask off.